you want a clean looking computer? Maybe a computer that doesn't look like it came out of an old bunker? Well, oh boy, let us tell you how to clean your computer. Hi, I'm Cameron Vasquez.
And I'm Max Debo. Today we're here to explain to you how to clean out your dusty computer.
You should clean your computer because dust insulates the wires and holds heat inside your computer. The cooler a computer is, the faster it will run. If dust builds enough inside your computer, you also may have to worry about the dust clogging up and stopping moving parts, like fans and disk drives.
We here at CIT Tech Tips recommend that you clean your personal home desktop every 6 to 12 months. If you have a gaming computer, however, we recommend you clean your computer more frequently than it for optimal performance, potentially up to every 2 to 3 months. Gaming computers typically pull in more debris and dust due to the higher amounts of fans and circulation in your computer. If you work in an office environment, you may need to clean your computer potentially up to every 30 days.
Tools you will need: air gun, soft brush, towelette, moist towelette.
Okay, so right now we're going to be taking out the motherboard so we may clean it. So what you want to do is, as a suggestion, so it could be a lot easier to clean this, you want to unscrew all of these screws that are on your motherboard. It is completely different with each motherboard. And you also want to unplug the wires or any connectors that are connected to the motherboard so they're not attached to it while you take it out. Now, we're going to continue into the power supply. Alright, now you have an empty case sitting right here with no parts inside of it, nothing inside of it. For this case, we don't have any fans, but don't worry, if you have any case fans, we'll tell you what to do. So what you want to do is right now is grab an air canister duster so you can get all this dusting out. Now, you have successfully cleaned this part of the case. Now, there's still more dusting to do. You have taken off this panel for the case. So what you want to do is do the same thing. Grab the duster and get to dusting. Yes. See, at this point, you must be saying, well, there's still dust there. There's dust in there still. Well, the air duster was to get the obvious dust out. Now, what you want to get to the areas, you want to get a towelette. I suggest a moist towelette, but for this, you're going to use a dry one. Right here, we're going to, boom, just like butter, it's gone. Now, you have successfully cleaned your case. Now we're going to move to the parts. For the first part, we're going to be talking about the GPU. For this, you could talk about any GPU, from big to small. Notice how dirty these fans are. Well, we're going to tell you how to get rid of it. You want to grab yourself an air canister, and you just want to go to brush. Now you may be saying, Cam, they're still dusty. Well, that's what you get yourself a moist towelette for. This moist towelette is going to get all those hard to reach places that your air duster couldn't have gotten. Now, onto the motherboard. We have ourselves here the AMD. What you want to grab yourself is the air duster, our friend. So you just go over here and you just get a little dusting. Now, your air duster might have not gotten all the dust. So what you want to get yourself is a brush. Soft would be recommended. You have now finished cleaning your motherboard. Now, for a little tip to teach you how to clean your RAM stick. What you want to do is, for my suggestion, you want to get yourself a moist towelette. And you want to simply just go down. Be careful of these pins right here, because you don't want to damage your RAM. See these bad boys right here? Don't want to damage those. Successful.
Okay, so for cleaning your screen, you're gonna first want to use your moist towelette to get the screen wet and get most of the stuff off initially. So you take your moist towelette and you just and that is how you clean your computer monitor. So if the keycaps come off on your keyboard, what you're going to want to do if you want to clean it very thoroughly is take all the keycaps off, put them someplace else, and clean all the keycaps on your keyboard individually, and then clean underneath the keycaps on your keyboard. For this instance though, we're just going to be cleaning the surface of the keyboard. So what you're first going to want to do is take your moist towelette and just so after you've sanitized your computer, then you're just going to want to dry it off with your dry towelette. Thanks for watching this episode of CIT Tech Tips. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more CIT videos. Thanks for watching.